Imagine a god so powerful, his very presence shakes the earth. A deity who commands the forces of war, the strength of the land, and the courage of warriors. This is Ku, the Hawaiian god of war, politics, and unyielding strength. But who is Ku, and why does his story still resonate today? Let's dive into the legend of this mighty god. Picture this. Ancient Hawaii, a land of towering volcanoes, endless oceans, and fierce warriors. In this world, Ku isn't just a god. He's a symbol of power, resilience, and survival. He's one of the four major Hawaiian gods, alongside Kan, Kanaloa, and Lono. But while the others bring life, peace, and healing, Ku, he's the one you call when you need to fight, when you need to stand your ground, when you need to win. But here's the thing. Ku isn't just about destruction. He's also a god of farming, fishing, and building. He's the balance between war and peace, between chaos and creation. And his story? It's one of sacrifice, transformation, and unbreakable will. Now, let me tell you about the moment that defined Ku forever. Legend says that long ago, Hawaii faced a terrible famine. Crops failed, fish were scarce, and the people were starving. Ku, moved by their suffering, made an incredible choice. He transformed himself into a kalo plant, a staple food for the Hawaiian people. Yes, you heard that right. The god of war became food to save his people. But this wasn't just a one-time act. Ku's sacrifice became a cycle. He would give his life to feed the people, only to rise again, stronger than ever. This is why Ku is also associated with agriculture and the land. He's a reminder that true strength isn't just about fighting, it's about giving, enduring, and rising again. So what does Ku's story mean for us today? Well, think about it. In a world full of challenges, Ku teaches us to stand strong, to fight for what matters, and to give selflessly when needed. He's a symbol of resilience, balance, and the unbreakable spirit of the Hawaiian people. Whether you're facing a personal battle or striving to protect what you love, Ku's legacy reminds us that strength isn't just about power, it's about purpose. So the next time you feel the weight of the world on your shoulders, remember Ku. Stand tall, fight for what matters, and never forget, even in the darkest times, you have the power to rise again.